We are building a strong company helping millions of lives.
Curium's purpose is to maintain access to 35,000 patients each day.
Developing new methods, developing new products, there is more possible to do new things.
And if you can make those changes, then it can only benefit the patient.
You're taking something that never existed before, and you're making it.
The nature of the products that we supply are really complex, being a pharmaceutical that has varying half-lives.
What we add is the differentiator between a theoretical concept and actually something that is profitable, that will work for the patient every time, that we can sustain long-term in the marketplace.